Hello, and welcome to RoboScope, a system of three main parts: an endoscope, a robot, and the adapter connecting them. Now, if we're to open the lid and have a look under the hood, we'll find an Arduino circuitry. And this circuit is powered directly by the robot's own digital output currents that are controlled via the Nerio program, which allows us in return to control the servo that's right underneath. And the servo itself is connected to the endoscope's inner mechanisms via the metal wires. The robot is also connected to the computer via an Ethernet cable, allowing us to code its different functions. Both of those components are controlled separately, each using a standard nunchuck controller. As for the endoscope's camera, it remains fully functional and its output is visible on a dedicated screen. Tilting the first nunchuck controller allows us to control the system's elevation. Left and right movements of the analog stick allow us to control the main robotic body's rotation, or the yaw. Whereas an up and down movement allow us to shift the arm to more forward or backward positions. The C and Z are used for the rotation of the upper arm, thus of the main endoscopic components. The endoscope itself is much simpler to control.